Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to find the value of x and y where x plus y is equal to 10 and xy is equal to 14. Okay, now x plus y is equal to 10, it is called equation number 1, and xy is equal to 14, it is called equation number 2. Now from equation 1 we will have x plus y is equal to 10, or now taking this positive x to right side we will get y is equal to 10 minus x. So here we will get y is equal to 10 minus x, and it is called equation number 3. Then from equation 2 we will have x times y is equal to 14, or x times, here y is equal to 10 minus x from equation 3, so we can write here 10 minus x is equal to 14, or x times 10 is 10x, x times negative x is negative x square is equal to 14. Or now taking this 10x minus x square is left side and changing side we will get x square minus 10x plus 14 is equal to 0. Then from here we can use quadratic formula, so we can write here x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over twice a. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 10, and c is equal to 14, or x is equal to minus b that means negative 10, so we can write here negative 10 plus or minus square root of negative 10 square minus 4 times 1 times 14 all over 2 times 1, or x is equal to minus times minus is plus, so here we will get 10 plus or minus square root of negative 10 square, that means 100 minus 4 times 1 times 14 is equal to 56 all over 2 times 1 is 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 56 is 44 over 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of, now here we can write 4 times 11 over 2, or x is equal to 10 plus or minus, here we will get 2 square root of 11 over 2. So finally we will get the value of x1 is equal to 5 plus or minus 5 plus square root of 11, and x2 is equal to 5 minus square root of 11. Now recall equation 3, we can write here y is equal to 10 minus x. Now when x1 is equal to 5 plus square root of 11, then we will get y1 is equal to 10 minus 5 plus square root